Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. With that being said, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the Black Forex Academy family, where we actually share and break down the markets and look for potential trading opportunities. And sometimes we do share lessons and strategies on how to trade the financial markets. With that being said, let's dive right into that. So we're going to start off with JPYX, the Japanese yen currency index. Now, as you can see, this is the 4-hour and we are clearly in the uptrend. Prices creating higher highs after higher highs in the minor and even the major trends, right? So obviously we always have to go with the trend. The trend is your friend. Trading against the trend, it's nonsense, and most of the times you're always going to end up losing money. So obviously, with that being said, we're going to be looking for buys because prices are clearly in an uptrend in the minor and in the major trends. So right here, we see prices just broke above this major structure. So what we're going to be looking for is a retracement into the structure before we actually look for prices to be creating new higher highs. So for this coming week, we are obviously going to be looking for buys on the JPYX. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? Which have the JPY in them? Obviously, such as Euro JPY, we see prices are clearly in a downtrend, also in the minor and major trends. So we are going to be looking for a continuation right here and a retracement. Excuse me, my voice is a little hoarse. So we're going to be looking for that kind of pattern right there before we actually take any trades. So we're going to be looking for sells in Euro JPY. And not only are we going to be looking for sells in Euro JPY, we're also going to be looking for sells in CAD JPY. As you can see, prices just broke below here. So we're going to be looking for that kind of a retracement before we see that continuation. Now, with that being said, we are going to move on to the next index, which is DXY. Excuse me. The dollar index. So obviously, you see, I sent this in the free Telegram group, this chart pattern or this markup. So for you to not miss out on such markups and such analysis on the lower timeframes, join a free Telegram that's linked in the description below so that you won't miss out. Now, back to the basics. So prices did respect the structures. Prices came here, bounced off that and started pushing lower. And as you can see, our targets are all the way down here at around 105.75. Now, we are going to continue looking for sells. And obviously, as we understand, JPYX and DXY are inversely correlated. As you can see, DXY is selling, JPYX is buying. So that's a good trend. That is a good sign that prices are moving accordingly. Now, right here on USD, I'm going to be looking for a sell continuation. As prices have already broken below here, I believe that's just a fake manipulation. I'm going to be looking for continuation should prices start or continue selling right there. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have USD JPY that we haven't actually talked about, which is a combination of both JPYX and USD. So right now prices are in this market structure. Yes. So I'm going to continue looking for sells, but first I need to see an impulsive move or a break below this structure, a retracement before we continue going short. So that's my view, and that's what I'll be looking for in JPYX. And yeah, that's what I'll be looking for in USD JPY. We do have Euro USD, which clearly now has turned into a bullish trend. So I will be looking for a buy or a confirmation candlestick of that structure before we start buying. We do have GBP USD, which is also another US dollar influenced pair. So as you can see, prices are clearly in this structure right here. So I will be looking for a confirmation candlestick also before we actually continue buying and take it to the moon, you know. So we're going to look at our final pair of the day, which is gold. Now, since last week, I was anticipating to see or to take buys should prices break above these structures up here, or should prices break below here. And it looks like prices are trying to break above here. As you can see, these fake outs, retracement, fake outs, retracement, but it's a clear sign that this structure is being weakened. So we have higher chances of prices, you know, going bullish than rather bearish. So with that being said, we are going to be looking for prices to break above that, retracement, and then we'll continue with the buys. So that's my view on the markets this coming week. If you do have any comment, let me know in the comments below. If you do have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you're still not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in this video, and give us a like if you found value in this video. Till next time, guys. Appreciate you all. Let's have a killer week. Cheers.